I'm Scott Schafer, and I'm the sales director for Cubic ITS. Here in Orlando at Cubic, we're excited to officially be able to present our web-based interface for ATMS so that traffic engineers can get alerts. We're here to show our web-based version of the GridSmart client so our customers don't have to install the GridSmart app. And we also have our SPM solution to assist traffic engineers with making decisions. We've taken what we had available via client applications and made it available via web interface, so it's more of a thin client, runs smoother, runs faster for the customer, and it's more of a single pane of glass interface rather than having everything in a computer program. Having a web-based interface as opposed to a client application enables customers to more quickly deploy software updates. So instead of kind of sending that into IT, getting it approved, waiting 2 or 3 weeks before you can actually install that client on your computer, you can do it in real time and have a much easier to manage and maintain web interface as opposed to a client. The new look and feel with having a web-based interface for ATMS.now is so that customers can access their mobile devices and see alerts in real time. So instead of going into your computer at work or logging into a VPN, as long as you have access to that central system, you can view your alerts and alarms via tablet, via cell phone, whatever you have. Just makes it easier to manage and maintain for everybody. The future's bright. We already do fare collection, we do pedestrian safety, bicycle safety. We actuate at the intersection, we collect a lot of information. And that's really powerful for the future of our industry, to be able to give people more data, but more actionable data, as opposed to just parts and pieces that people are looking for. As part of our complete solution, we offer cabinets, we have controllers, we have a central system, we have an adaptive system, we have signal performance measures. So when you bring all that together, they all work in conjunction. So when they're all working really well in conjunction, it's much easier to manage and maintain and make sure that you're keeping traffic flowing in your community. ITE here, we're able to see all of our customers, talk to them, get feedback from the traffic engineers that we serve on a daily basis. So it's really important that we're in front of them and get that feedback. So if you're not attending at ITE, you're really missing out.